flagship of LaserShot's live-fire range offering, the Modular Small Arms Range, or MSAR, is a superior solution to traditional brick-and-mortar and obsolete container-based shooting ranges. The MSAR is designed in-house by experts in our Shooting Range Technologies division, who have more than 75 years of combined small arms range experience. SRT's ranges include certified and proven ballistic containment and ventilation systems, and are equipped with your choice of the best components from the most revered manufacturers in the industry. The MSAR includes all the features you would expect in an indoor range, such as positive 360-degree bullet containment, anti-ricochet and splatter protection, exterior and interior sound reduction treatment, ventilation systems, steel or rubber bullet traps, multiple choices for target presentation systems, clear view or solid ballistic shooting lane dividers, general, target, and special effects lighting, two-way communications between Rangemaster and safety officers, ballistic and sound isolated control booth, and digital monitoring and safety systems. The MSAR also supports LaserShot's thermal shot technology, which enables our virtual simulation target tree to be used in live-fire ranges with actual combat arms and ammunition. A live-fire video wall is quickly and easily installable and removable, allowing display of reactive imagery, such as a KD range with accurate simulated ballistics out to 300 meters, pistol and Alt-C qualification targets, interactive skill-building drills, and immersive video scenarios. The new Unified Facilities Criteria, UFC 4-17902, which is now in use by the Department of Defense for Small Arms Range Design, has made completely obsolete all other manufacturers' shipping container-style modular ranges. Their low ceilings, narrow firing lines, and walls or support columns next to every lane simply cannot meet the new height, width, and line-of-sight requirements of the UFC. SRT's maximum 40-foot clear-span MSAR, however, does meet the new stringent lane size, airflow, and sound requirements, as well as the clear line-of-sight requirements of the new standard. And it is the only modular range to have demonstrated this capability. The MSAR's 16 to 40-foot clear span width can be adapted to provide up to 10 4-foot lanes, 8 5-foot lanes, or the U.S. Air Force required 7 5-foot lanes with 2-foot end safety lanes along the walls. Multiple MSAR sections can be placed side by side for wider ranges and can be configured to operate as independent bays to increase redundancy and operational uptime, even during maintenance. Target distances of 25, 50, and 100 meters or more are possible with the MSAR, and limited only by your available budget and space. Although modular in nature and designed primarily to provide a safe shooting environment, MSARs are also designed to withstand the elements and provide many years of use. One SRT MSAR in the Virgin Islands survived near direct hits by 2 consecutive Category 5 hurricanes in 2017. Although the storms produced winds of more than 135 miles per hour and destroyed many buildings and homes on the island, the MSAR received only minor exterior cosmetic damage, just losing its downspouts on the windward side of the second storm. MSARs are currently in use in both OCONUS and CONUS locations by the U.S. Army Reserve in American Samoa and Dublin, California, U.S. Army National Guard in St. Croix, Virgin Islands, the U.S. Air Force, the U.S. Navy, U.S. Customs and Border Protection, and others. The MSAR allows the location of a live fire range right on property without any surface danger zone or large safety fan requirements. Therefore, forces with an MSAR can perform readiness training and qualification on location without the need to travel and without the hassles that often come with scheduling a non-owned range, which may be hundreds or even thousands of miles away. MSARs help maintain readiness for deployment and have already saved some National Guard and Reserve units millions of dollars in travel costs alone. The MSAR is easy to buy because modular prefabrication can drastically simplify and shorten budget planning cycles, acquisition time, and procurement requirements. The MSAR, along with our mobile and portable range solutions, are available directly through our GSA contract or through several direct award and partner IDIQ contracts. We can assist you in getting one on contract quickly with minimal red tape and without the lengthy delays and headaches associated with having a traditional range build. You can be training in your MSAR in less than a year. For more information, an estimate, or to begin the order process, call or email us at LaserShot's SRT Live Fire Division today. MSAR, the DoD and Federal Modular Small Arms Range Solution.